Hey guys, how you doing? So I was like, you know what, I need to do a new tutorial. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try out some pretty heckin' dope products, and you know, my shophush video did pretty well with views, and so I want to incorporate more items I got from shophush because I got this pretty dope BB. It's called the Bad Habit Inferno eyeshadow palette. It contains 12 eyeshadows. The ingredients are on the back, cruelty free. On the back it has all the information of Bad Habit Beauty. They have an Instagram and they're just really great, but if you open it up, there is 12 beautiful warm shades, and I've tried this already a few times and I love it, but I just want to show you on camera like how amazing this is. It is a dupe for the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. You know, you don't need $1 billion to buy a nice eyeshadow palette because you got this. Bad Habit Beauty, you know, just grabbed high-end makeup by the balls. Yeah, I think this is really great considering it was, I think this was either $10 or $12. I'll link it down below. However, I do understand people do love to pay for oh my god, my hair is pissing me off. Okay, whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna look like a little boy right now. But yeah, I just want to show you how great this palette is. Let's get started. So going in, I'm gonna go into the shade Baked, which is right here. I'm gonna pop that in the crease and all over the lid. Why did I say lid? I meant crease. So far, I'm experiencing no fallout on my cheeks. And just to let you know, I obviously did my brows. I did my foundation, concealer, and blush and bronzer. I did put eyeshadow primer on this. To build up that crease more, I'm going to go in the shade Glow right here. I'm going to pop that in the crease. And then I'm going to blend it all out with the same blending brush I used with the Baked shadow. And before y'all come at me like, you don't know how to fucking blend, you're horrible at applying eyeshadow, I know, I am not a makeup artist. I just really like makeup and I love doing makeup. I've been doing makeup ever since I've been in 7th grade. I know I'm not the best, but I do love makeup and I love trying and I love showing stuff I like, so don't come at me at the comments, okay? So to deepen up the crease even more, I'm gonna go in with another blending brush and I'm gonna go in the shade Hotspot, which is a very orangey warm shadow. And I'm gonna kind of just put that in the outer crease. I know this looks a little wonky right now, but we're going to blend it all together with just a huge ass blending brush. I'm going to layer more of that Hotspot shadow on. I just want to intensify it a bit more and go back to blending. As you can see though, these shadows blend really well. Like the mattes are on point. They're very soft, they're very beautiful, and they're very pigmented. I'm just gonna go in the shade Lit right here. I'm just gonna take a very flat shader brush. This is from e.l.f. This is like $1, so I'm just gonna pop that on the lid. So with the shimmers, I did experience like a tiny bit of fallout, but I can't really see it and it brushes away really easily. With the mattes, weirdly enough, I experienced no fallout. And just to intensify more shimmer in it, I'm going to go in with the shade Blaze, which is a very reddish copper color. I don't know, I'm really bad at describing colors. It's this one. And we're going to put it on the like the center outer part of the lid because we're extra as hell. This is very warm toned, which is like my cup of tea. To like deepen the look more and like make it more intense, I'm going to go in with the shade Burn. You can fucking see it, god damn it, right there. I'm gonna take it on a smaller blending brush and just put it on the outer part of my crease like so. Yeah, with the shimmers you'll experience fallout, and I'm wondering if this matte is falling out, but no. So the mattes really don't have any fallout, which is so weird. On the pan there's a little bit of dustiness on it, but it's really nothing big. It's not a disaster storm like some palettes in 2017. Film its beater. I'm just going to blend it out just a little bit. I think that's good enough for me. So for the highlighting shade, I'm going to go in the shade White Hot, which is just like a shimmery satin shade right here. Pop it on the brow bone. It's not super intense. It's just like that perfect mellowed out highlight shade. When it hits the light, it's very, very, very pretty. And this will also help blend the darker shades like with the highlight shade so it doesn't look super dark, even though this is pretty intense. Like, okay, next I'm just going to curl my lashes and pop on mascara. My Trichotillomania is doing a bit better, so I feel a lot more confident to go outside without lashes and curl them so it looks like my eyelashes are pretty out there. They're doing a lot better though. I'm really happy about it. I realized I forgot to put some stuff on my lower lid. So I'm just going to go in with Hotspot and Glow and just pop that under the lash line. Alright, for my second layer of mascara, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. It's so good. Love this mascara. Bless it very much. It smells like cake or licorice or something. It's weird. So next I'm going to do some liner, and I'm just going to do the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I think I'm just going to do a line on the lid. Use one of these shadows to wing it out. So just like that makes a difference. For the wing, I'm going to take the shade Ignite, which is just like a warm toned burnt brown shimmery color. So I'm going to just take this like pointy brush and make a wing. And then blend it out. Okay, so that looks really good. But I want to take the shade Smolder and just blend it between the shadow and the liner so it blends out. Okay, yup, that looks way better. So now I have lips, and I brought several options. They're all warm toned. I'm not sure what to use though, dude. Got the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Unreal. These are really pretty, by the way, but for some reason the goop comes out of that whole thing right there. And these are like really pigmented lip glosses that feel like a lipstick. I always do this shit where I just overdraw. That is the completed look. Oh my god, I have a minute left to record. So I'm gonna set my face really quick and then talk about the palette. You should definitely get this palette. It's $10 to $12. That is such a good deal for these really pretty warm tone natural shades. I love it so much. I see myself using it a lot more, even though I haven't really been wearing eyeshadow lately. I definitely am going to wear this more. If you want to see me try out more Shop Hush eyeshadow palettes that are being sold on there, just let me know. If you want me to do like just comment down what you want me to do for videos. Jesus Christ, nobody ever comments down what I should do next. I need advice. Help me. But yeah, like and subscribe this, like if you enjoyed this video, if you thought it was helpful, if you liked it. Comment down below what you want me to do next. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll see you guys in my next video.